Hello students, welcome to first PUC online classes. As in the previous video, we were discussing about maximum height, time of flight and horizontal range, along with the few relations among maximum height, time of flight and horizontal range. Now in this session, let us discuss the few numericals concerned to projectile motion. Already we know that. Just I will remind what points were discussed in the last class. We know that when a body projected from the ground, at every point the velocity can be resolved into two components as horizontal and vertical. The horizontal component of the velocity remains same at every point. But what about vertical component of the velocity? Vertical component of the velocity changes at every point. One thing, and initial angle of projection remains same and final angle of projection remains same, but during the path of the trajectory, angle of projection and vertical component of the velocity along with the distance traveled, that remains same at every point. Distance will changes at every point. Now students, let us confirm how the distance displacement and how the vertical and angle of projection changes during the projectile motion after some time. So this can be confirmed by making the numericals. Let us start the numerical. Numerical number 1. Shall I the numerical number 1? Look at it. A ball. A ball. A ball. Thrown. Thrown. With 5 meter per second. 5 meter per second. At angle of projection. At angle of projection. Angle of projection. Angle of projection. 37 degree. 37 degree. Find time of flight, maximum height and range. A ball thrown. See here, a ball. A ball thrown with 5 meter per second at angle of projection 37 degree. Find maximum height, time of flight and horizontal range. Right students? Shall I take here? I will take this is a projectile. Right? This projectile projected like this. What about this? This is the initial velocity. This is the initial velocity u. Then what about this? U is there. This can be resolved into component as ux, and second component is a uy. This is the angle of projection theta. Right now, shall I make it? How it looks like? Angle of projection 37 degree mean. Look at it. I will draw. This is nothing but initial velocity, right? What I can call initial velocity. How much angle? This is 37 degree. This is nothing but u equal to 5 meter per second he has given. What about this component? This component is how much? This component is nothing but ux. What about this component? Uy, right? This can be resolved by rectangle component of resolution of vector, right? U equal to how much? U equal to 5u. Then what about this component? If it is 37 degree, this becomes 4, then this becomes 3. Applied actually. If this is side 3, then this also becomes how much? 3. How it looks like? See here, this is a triangle looks like. Shall I call it? This one is a triangle. This one looks like triangle. See here, this is how much? 4. This is 5u. This is how much? 3. If it is how much? 37 degree. Remember this. Two triangles are famous. One is the 37 degree, second one is 53 degree. If it is 53 degree, this becomes 3, this becomes 4 and this becomes 5. Right. So I need only for 37 degree. For 37 degree, you can confirm it with parallelogram. You can confirm with Pythagoras theorem. This square equal to this square plus this square. Both are same. If it is 37 degree only. Right. Let us go for the solution. What we need? Time of flight. Initially. What is the time of flight? T equal to how much? 2u sin theta divided by how much? C. For my convenience, I will take z. Z given. Z I will take 10 meter per second square. 10 meter per second square. Shall I find the solution, students? T equal to much 2. U how much? U equal to 5 years given. Sin theta. Look at me, it is 37 degrees there, right? Opposite by hypotenuse, sin theta mean. I mean directly 3 divided by 5. 3 divided by 5. This is how much? 10 value. Z equal to 10. 5 get cancelled. What is T then? T equal to much? 6 divided by 10. This equal to much? 0.6 second. 0.6 second is there, right? Time of flight. Then after this, maximum height we will find. Right? What is that formula? Maximum height? U square sin square theta whole divided by 2z. Right? Divided by 2z. Right or wrong, students? Let us find the solution again. U is how much? 5. U square 25. Sin theta 3 by 5 opposite by hypotenuse. Sin square is there. Shall I make it? 3 divided by how much? 3 square 5 square. 2z. 2z. Z can replace 5. 10 value. Right? Again make it solution. Simplify this. What value got? 25. 9 divided by 20 into how much? 25 get cancelled. Right? Then what is maximum height you got? Maximum height h is equal to how much? 9 divided by 20 meter. 9 divided by 20 meter. Second answer. What is the final one? Final one is equal to r. What is r? U square. U square sin 2 theta divided by z. Right? Sin 2 theta. You know sin 2 theta. 2 sin theta into cos theta. Look at it. R equal to U square keep it up same. Sin 2 theta. 2 sin theta into cos theta. Whole divided by z. Right? R. U can be replaced by 5. U square 25. Keep it up same. 2 sin theta in this line. 3 by 5. 3 divided by much? 5. Right? Z value 10. Cos theta is there. What is cos theta in this one? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent how much? 4. Hypotenuse how much? 5. 5 into 5, 25. This one get cancelled. Right? What is the remaining here? 2 into 3 into 4. Divided by how much? 10 value. Or what is R value from this? 12 divided by 5 meter. 12 divided by 5. Are you following? So, this is answer for this. Copy this numerical, students. So, we will go for one more numerical. Okay, students. Second numerical is a cricket ball thrown with 50 meter per second at an angle of projection 37 degrees. Find velocity vector angle of projection after 2 seconds. Find velocity vector and angle of projection after 2 seconds. This numerical will see. How this one? This is a projectile. Right? This is a projectile projected like this. Like this projected. What is the initial velocity? Initial velocity must be like this. How much? U equal to 50 meter per second. By what angle of projection? 37 degree. 37 degree. This is what component? Ux component. What about this component? Uy component. Right? Again, shall I try how it looks like? It looks like parallel combination vector. Again, shall I add it? How this will be? Look at the students here. This is the x-axis. This will be the y-axis. Right? Like this. What angle of projection? Angle of projection. How much? 37 degree. Right? Now, see here, 37 degree maybe looks like this. See here, this is 37 degree. Shall I make it? Theta equal to how much? 37 degree. How it is? U is equal to 50 meter per second. Right. If this is 50 meter per second, what about this then? 40 meter per second. This is how much? 30 meter per second. You can confirm it. So if it is 5, then this was 4 and 3, right? But it is how much? It is 50 mean. This is 40. This is how much? Right. Then after 2 second mean. After 2 second mean how the projectile looks like? Look at how the projectile looks like after 2 second. After 2 second. Initially it is 0 here. After 2 second it may here. This is ux component. This is uy component. What about this? Resultant component u. Resultant component u. Then what about this angle of projection? This is the angle of projection after 2 seconds. I am talking about after 2 seconds. See here. Initial velocity how much? It is 40. This is 30. Then this is 50 meter per second. Right? Shall I call this? This is how much? 40 meter per second. 50 meter per second. What about this component? Ux. Ux how much? 40 meter per second, because component ux remains same at every point up to completion of trajectory. But I need to calculate this value ui after 2 seconds. After 2 seconds. See here, I need to calculate after 2 seconds. After 2 seconds. 2 seconds, right? After 2 seconds, actually ux remains same, that is only 40 meter per second square. But what about ui? Shall I make it equation? V is equal to how much? V is equal to u plus at. But along y-axis this is the same value. Along y-axis v can be replaced by how much? Vy. U can be replaced by how much? Uy. A can be replaced by minus z and t keep it same. Right, after 2 seconds this is there. Look at me. Vy. Uy initially how much? Uy is 30. Initially. Z 10. T how much? 2 seconds. Then what about Vy? Vy equal to how much? 10 meter per second. 10 meter per second. Right. What you got? Initial velocity is how much? 40. After 2 seconds, what is vertical component of the velocity? 10 meter per second. How to make it in vector form? In vector form, I need velocity. How much? ux I cap plus uy j cap or vy j cap. Right? Actually, this velocity ux is how much? 40 I cap plus vy 10 j cap. This is the velocity vector after 2 seconds. Velocity vector after 2 seconds. Right? Then I need angle of projection after 2 seconds. See here, after 2 seconds what happened? This velocity how much? 10 meter per second. This velocity 40 meter per second. Shall I take a diagram here? For this figure, shall I take the diagram? How to take the diagram? Look at me. Right. This is nothing but resultant velocity. How much I load for this angle? Look at me. Shall I make it parallelogram? This is how much? Ux 40. This is how much? 10 meter per second. This also 10. This also 40. It is theta. Right. Then from this I will take tan theta. See here, from this triangle OAB I will take tan theta directly. What is tan theta? Tan theta angle of projection. Right. Opposite by adjacent. What is opposite? 10. Adjacent 40 get cancelled. What is tan theta here after 2 seconds? After 2 seconds, 1 divided by 4 or theta equal to how much? Tan inverse of 1 by 4, that is 0.25. Right? How much is nearly? This nearly equal to 14 degree. Nearly equal to 14 degree. I mean, after 2 seconds, horizontal component of the velocity remains same, but vertical component will change by this value. And after 2 seconds, initial angle of projection how much? 37 degree. But after 2 seconds, what angle of projection becomes? 40 degree. So this is the answer for it. Copy this numerical, students. We will go for one more. Okay, students. Third numerical is for a projectile motion from ground to ground. If h is equal to r, h is equal to r means maximum height equal to range. H is equal to r. Find angle of projection. We need find angle of projection. See here how the situation looks like. This is the projectile. right? Or this is the projectile, right? This what are calling maximum height. This is the maximum height, right? What are calling this? This is the range. This is the range. This is the angle of projection. Condition is like this: from ground to ground, from ground to ground, like this, right? See here, what is the condition? If h is equal to r, h is equal to r, we need to find angle of projection. H is equal to r, we need to find angle of projection. Let us go here. We need h formula directly. Maximum height h is equal to how much? U square sin square theta whole divided by 2z, right? What is r formula? Range. Range means u square sin of 2 theta divided by z, right? But what is condition given? H is equal to r directly. H is equal to r means h equal to r. H means how much? U square sin square theta whole divided by 2z equal to r. U square sin of 2 theta divided by z, right? Here u square get cancelled and 1z get cancelled. Are you following me? What is remaining? Sin square theta whole divided by 2. Sin 2 theta. How about sin 2 theta? Sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta. 2 sin theta into cos theta. 1 sin theta get cancelled. Then again what is remaining? Sin theta divided by 2 equal to, what is remaining then? 2 cos theta, right? Or what is tan theta? What is tan theta? Shall I take one more step here? Sin theta divided by cos theta equal to 4. Equal to 4. What is tan theta from this? What is tan theta? Tan theta equal to 4. Theta equal to how much? Then theta equal to how much? Theta equal to tan inverse of 4. Theta equal to tan inverse of 4. By theta equal to tan inverse of 4, h is equal to r. This is the solution for this numerical. Again copy this, we will see one more numerical. Okay students, one more numerical. If h is equal to 30 root 3, h means maximum height, and r equal to 120 meter. Horizontal range and height is given. Height equal to 30 root 3 and r equal to 120 meter. Find the initial velocity of projection. Very simple. So here, what about this? It's the projectile, right? This is the projectile. What is given? Maximum height given. This is the height given. What about this? That is the range given, right? Both are given. This is the initial velocity of projection. This is the initial velocity of projection. We need to find, right? And also I don't know angle of projection. What angle of projection I don't know. Very simple. Let us write maximum height formula. H is equal to how much? U square sin square theta whole divided by 2z equal to, yes, given value. Value how much? 30 root 3. 30 root 3, right? Range is there. Range formula. U square sin of 2 theta divided by z, right? Equal to value how much given? 120 meter, right? Right. Let us make now h by r. What value will it? See here, go for solution. H divided by r. H mean how much? U square sin square theta whole divided by 2z. R mean directly shall I make it? Z divided by how much? U square sin of 2 theta, right? H mean directly has given h how much? 30 root 3. R how much? 120, right? Then this equal to u square get cancelled, z get cancelled. What is remaining here? See here, sin square theta whole divided by 2, right? What is the meaning? Sin 2 theta. What is sin 2 theta? 2 sin theta into cos theta. Are you following me? Right. Shall I simplify this? How to simplify? So what is the meaning? Here 4 is there, right? Shall I call this? Root 3 divided by 4 equal to 1 sin theta get cancelled. What is the meaning then? Sin theta divided by 2 into 2, 4 into how much? Cos theta. 4 get cancelled. Sin theta by cos theta, tan theta. I will write here. Look at it. I will write here. See here. Tan theta equal to root 3. Or what is theta? Theta equal to tan inverse. Tan inverse of how much? Root 3. Or theta equal to how much? 60 degree. Theta equal to 60 degree got. Then if theta equal to 60 degree got, directly put this formula. H equal to H. From H you can get the initial velocity. Or you can put in R also, no matter. You will get the same value. Look at here. From H. From H, how to write U square? U square equal to how much? U square equal to, see here. U square equal to H into 2Z whole divided by how much? Sin square theta. Sin square theta. Right, or make it square. Square mean directly. Square root mean H is equal to under root of how much? H is equal to under root of H divided by 2Z. How much? Sin of theta. H into 2Z. Right. Put all the values. See here. H is there already. What is H? 30 root 3. 30 root 3. Right. Into 2. Z 10. Sin 60. Sin 60. Right. Solve all these values. You will get. Initial velocity of projection must be 60 meter per second. Solve all these values. Simplify this. Put sin 60 value. You will get this value. U is equal to 60 meter per second. I can copy this. So we will see one more numerical. Okay, one more numerical. A body thrown with 50 meter per second at an angle of projection 53 degree. Express initial and final velocity in terms of vector form. Very simple. Okay, students, look at here. How to solve this numerical? It is very important. Object projected with 50 meter per second at an angle of projection 53 degree. Very important. How this is? This is a projectile. Are you following this? How the body projected? In this direction body projected. This is the initial velocity. How much? U equal to 50 meter per second. By what angle of projection? This is 53 degree. Sorry. Then what about this? This is the initial velocity ux and this is nothing but vertical component of velocity uy. Vy, no matter. Right? See here. Contact uy only, no matter. Uy, initial component of the velocity. Look at me. If 53 degree is there, then how to represent by triangle? Shall I make it? Actually, how there? Look at me this. Like this may be possible. Like this may be possibility. 53 degree mean. Like this the probability. See here. How to solve this actually? If it is 53 degree. If it is 53 degree. This is how much? 50. Then this becomes how much? 30. This becomes 40. You can check it with triangle of additional vector, or you can check it with Pythagoras directly. If it is 5, this becomes 3 and this becomes 4. Right? This is 40. So, shall I draw the diagram here for 53 degree? For 53 degree, look at here. For 53 degree. See here. If it is 53 degree, this becomes 4, this becomes 3. Right? 3 means ux, 30 means ux, and 40 means uy. What is initial velocity here? initial velocity can be replaced by ux I cap plus uy j cap. Uy j cap. Right? This is the velocity, initial velocity in terms of vector form. Ux how much? 30 I cap plus how much? 40 j cap. 40 j cap. Then what is final velocity? Initially this value is there. Then what is final? This is ux. What about this? This is nothing but ui. Ux and ui. This is the resultant. It is initial. What about this final? How to represent final velocity? Final velocity I will represent by v dash. V dash equal to how to represent? 30 I cap. I will take minus 40 z cap. What is meaning of this actually? Finally the body goes along y-axis, negative y-axis. It is in positive y-axis. What about this in negative y-axis? So I am taking here minus value. This represent initial velocity. This represent final velocity. This is the solution for this, students. Copy this numerical. I will give one more numerical as the homework. Solve it. Okay. Okay, students. Numerical is very simple. For a projectile motion, a horizontal and vertical component of the initial velocities are 6 meter per second square and 8 meter per second. 6 meter per second and 8 meter per second. I mean along the x-axis, ux equal to u cos theta 6 meter per second, uy equal to u sin theta 8 meter per second. Find maximum height, time of flight, range and angle of projection. 4 quantities we need to calculate. Question is very simple. Solve it as a homework. Thank you. Remaining concept we will see in the next class.